In response to what Orji Uzor Kalu said, he said that he's going to deliver Abia State to APC.
Abia will be APC. I will work for President Tinubu to win in Abia, and I work for any governor in APC to win in Abia. Abia will be APC with me. I have brought my hat. I will lay my hat on the ring field, and I work for the APC.
Just I want to.
And I just want to respond to that. You know, Orji Uzor Kalu, there's one thing that everybody has noticed about you, and that thing is that you are all about politics. You don't care about the people, you don't care about the people's needs, you don't even care about the state of the country. As a matter of fact, APC are now using you as their lying machine, especially when it comes to Southeast. I remember when they didn't give you the Senate presidency, you came out crying. Oh, that ndi Igbo dey emelu fefe nka iwe lute ni Igbo onye Igbo mgbanwa. But now it's like they have promised you, oh, Orji Uzor Kalu, you have to deliver Southeast to us, and if you deliver, we will give you Senate presidents. I'm pretty sure that is what this whole thing is about. They have promised you to give you presidency. Umahi that has been talking about presidency, they have promised that clown. Okay, they have promised him that they are going to make him the first Igbo president, which is a lie anyway. And you guys should be ashamed of yourself. You and Umahi in particular, because you guys are Fulani blood. You are Fulani extraction. You are not Igbo people. I doubt if you can walk freely on the streets of Southeast. I'm pretty sure you just have your security following you about. Because if you dare come to Aba, yes, our Aba people go use stone and stone you. Not talk about that if called the Joe Ibukwe. You guys are the enemies of Southeast, and you are one of the people that sold the Kano to the Fulani. Yes, remember, after their kangaroo judgment against our brother by giving him life imprisonment, the next day, Tinubu pushed you out to the media, and you started condemning our people, saying that our people are too emotional about Nnamdi Kanu. Nah, nonsense. I nature one day, Mbaka got barage. By right, you are Orji Uzor Kalu, you're supposed to be in jail. Yes, you're supposed to be in jail. Were you not in jail before you lobbied yourself out of that place and then you put yourself in that Senate seat, of which you're not even doing anything? The last time I checked, you showed a constituency project that you did. You constructed wooden decks for school children. I don't know whether you see what Senator Natasha has been doing, shaking the whole place in Nigeria. There is Mama Project, doing all kinds of constituency projects that will impact fully in the lives of the people in her constituency. But your own and that of everyone else in that Senate is just to sit down there and be eating money. And what do you want to do? Make we come and see you take the place of Alex Oti. Alex Oti that is doing all the work that is, even people that are not from Abia State are happy with him. Then you have this House Speaker, what's his name? Benjamin Carlocos Nogini. The other day, that one came out to say that Alex Oti should pray that he doesn't come out for governorship. And if you come out, what are you going to do? You can't do anything. Benjamin Kalu, even you, nobody knows you, nobody cares. All you care about is to be dressing well and be carrying yourself with security up and down. All of you are nothing but enemies of Igbo. All of you are nothing but of Fulani extraction. You people are ass lickers for Fulani. When we get our Biafra, you guys are not going to be part of it because you are the enemy of Ndibo. You are the enemy of Biafra. So if you think that you are going to sell Abia State to Tinubu because Tinubu has already promised you Senate presidency in the next dispensation, you got another thing coming. Because that place, that seat of Abia State governorship election 2027, it is signed and sealed for Alex Oti. Look at the wonderful works that man is doing in Abia. He has transformed Abia State. When you were the governor of Abia State, that place was nothing but a slum, a shithole. And what was that? Gaga? You guys supposed to be in jail, and one day you guys will be in jail for what you've done, the atrocities you guys committed in government, the neglect, the abuse of power you guys did. Can you name me forever? Abba, you turned Abba into a slum, but Alex Oti came and he transformed everywhere. Some places in Abia State now, you would think it's Europe. Look at their roads. No debt, no potholes. And this is just his first administration. By the time he finishes the second one, Abba will turn to something close to Japan, at least something close to Morocco. That is what we want. People that are coming to make impact in the lives of people. People that are not playing politics. People that don't have godfathers. Because it's that godfatherism that is killing Nigerian politics. When they now come in, they want to compensate the godfather. And then sell the state and the people for the next 4 years. Everybody is suffering and in poverty. So, Orji Uzor Kalu, you are going to be highly disappointed. Whatever Tinubu has promised you. As a matter of fact, Tinubu, his name will not even be on the ballot box for 2027. I don't talk him before. You see what America has done to Venezuela, a drug cartel that took over that country. They took him out. They will do the same to Tinubu. Yes, they will do the same to Tinubu. When they finish with Venezuela, they are coming to Aso Rock. He knows that. Moving from one party to the other. You think America is not watching all of you? When they will start mentioning the list of those that are also terrorist sponsors in Nigeria, all of una will come out from that power one by one. Make una wait till Trump remembers Nigeria and then descends on this country for real. Because all of these things what they do, we don't tire. Nigerians are tired. That nobody is smiling this year. And this next election is not going to be business as usual as you think. Because we know that APC, all you people's hope is on nothing but rigging. Apart from rigging, you guys cannot do anything. All your hope in Nigeria is on rigging. And that rigging is not going to happen. Wike has already built houses for the judges. That is bribery. Something that is supposed to be outlawed. It is unlawful to do things like that. Whatever you guys are planning, we are waiting for you. As far as Abia State governorship election is concerned, Alex Oti is there and he will remain there. And there is nothing you can do about it.